Hello everyone, I'm back after a long break and today I'm here to discuss some important things pertaining to how can you get a PPO or how could you meaningfully intern and create a favorable impression on the firm or the person with whom you are interning with. Now, the first thing which you should keep in mind is sincerity and commitment. Now, everybody wants a resource who is sincere and who is committed to his or her work. How can you showcase this sincerity and commitment? Firstly, always stick to deadlines. Secondly, you should show that you are interested in the work as opposed to you are doing it just because you got it. For example, if you get something to do, maybe a research on an arbitration topic, go ahead and research on all the facets of the same, come back and maybe give them some extra to it. And apart from the proposition that you were supposed to research on, give them a specific answer, but at the same time, maybe add your own analysis to it. That will show them that you are interested and committed in what you are doing. Again, you need to be punctual and stick to deadlines. You need to show up on time. I am not saying you should stay back till late just to create a favorable impression. What you need to do is finish your work within the stipulated timeline and then go back. You need to be efficient in your work. You don't need to stay back till 12 in the night just to show that you are working. You should actually be working. So that is something which you should keep in mind. Another thing is the quality of your work. The quality of your work should speak for you. For example, if you are given a research task, now when you go ahead and research on a particular proposition, you should follow the given order. Firstly, go search on Google and understand the concept. Read up on the concept, read up the primary sources, such as the legislation, etc. Understand the concept, then go on and try to be more specific in your research and try to specifically research the proposition that you are given. Then move on to case laws and understand the interpretation of that particular concept as given by the judiciary. Make a proper note of the same under various headings, highlight the case laws, maybe make a small case summary, and then take that back to the senior who has given you the work. This will show them that you've actually made an effort into the research and you're coming back with something meaningful, something more extra, something with an edge to it, rather than the mundane research which anybody could have done. You need to show them that you have that extra thing to you. Otherwise, no one is going to consider you over maybe 10 other interns who are interning. Quality of your work is extremely, extremely important. Another important thing is network. Now, you should meaningfully network with the people at your workplace. This doesn't really mean hanging out with them or maybe trying to be friends with them. A meaningful networking would include maybe having striking conversations with them about a particular legal topic, maybe asking them doubts and questions regarding the proposition that you've been given to research. So if you go to them and say that maybe I got a research on this particular topic and I think it can be approached from this way. If you're actually talking sense, the senior is not going to tell you to go away. They're actually going to discuss that with you. You may even leave a favorable impression on them. So, read up on the things they tell you to do. Understand legal concepts. Maybe ask them that I'm writing an article. Can you tell me how to approach the same? So things like that, where you show to them that you are actually interested in what you are doing, as opposed to maybe just trying to make friendship with them, which is not really the right way to network. You can also approach them on LinkedIn, maybe send them requests on LinkedIn. When they see you in a professional circle, they would know the kind of work you are doing. Maybe you can share links to the articles you've published or maybe the competitions you've participated in, etc. This is going to make you visible even outside work to people who work in your organization. So this is how you should actually approach your internships. You should not go to an internship thinking that, okay, 30 days and then I'm going to get a certificate out of it. Because if you're doing something for a certificate, you better not do it. Do it for the learning involved. Do it so that you are able to cast a positive or a favorable impression on the person with whom you are working. You should be able to add something extra to what you are doing as opposed to something which anyone can do. So hence, follow these basic steps and hopefully your internship experience would be a better and much more enjoyable one. Hopefully you understood this and hopefully this will help you. I will be back next week with something more meaningful, maybe about legal research and writing. Please do message me on LinkedIn and let me know if there's any specific topic that you would want me to discuss. You are free to comment on this video as well. If there's anything that you would like me to discuss, I would be more than happy to do the same. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay safe.